Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Grid X and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First we need to open the quick panel on our watch. To do it, make sure you're on the home screen, the watch face, and then you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. It might take a couple of tries because the touchscreen on this watch is a bit wonky if you ask me. But anyway, once you open the quick panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the airplane mode icon. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. The icon will change the color and the status will change to on. And if you go back to watch face, you should see the airplane mode icon on the watch face. So that's how you enable the mode. To disable it, open the quick panel again, tap on the icon again. To disable it, it will change the status to off, the icon will change the color, and it will also disappear from the watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.